My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Night Crow. Night Crow is a new stubborn ransomware type infection. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly protect your files and to possibly recover your files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Night Crow ransomware may be very easily injected into the device. And so very soon users realize that they can no longer access the data because of this Night Crow ransomware. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages the files considerably, so it is indeed impossible to use the files. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is surely not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration. And if you mistakenly pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money, so don't pay that ransom. This ransomware can be traced and tracked through a task manager. You may find some suspicious processes that could be running in the background. And if you do find them, if they occupy too much CPU usage, it's a good idea that you terminate these tasks. And if you do that ahead of time, this could help you save at least some of the files from being damaged and encrypted. But regretfully, very often it is too late, and this ransomware may still perform its malicious job. So it is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Night Crow extension. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note. It tells that users need to pay the ransom, but I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, so use this official site and this green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the software and then start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. And then the scanning will surely begin. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Let me emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your files, and it is the part of the premium license. However, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files. Keep this in mind, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. So wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover the data.